Buksan na natin siya. Unboxing. Ayan, malaki yung rice guys. And walang gravy. Meron silang garlic soy sauce here. Garlic fish sauce. Fish sauce. Oh, may veggies. Yeah, may veggies siya. Grabe, extra healthy ang McDo dito sa Vietnam.
It's very tasty. And I think that's why madaming rice.
We have here a very brand new drink, tamarind almond.
Hindi siya foreigner friendly.
Why?
English translation.
Dito yung pickup area. And yan yung mga menu dito. Okay. Medyo wala lang English.
I cannot get over a McDo with a salad.
A McDo with a salad. Because it screams healthy from a fast food chain.
From McDo, the home of oil and fries.
Ang anghang ng chicken. Kasi spicy yung order ko. Pero gusto ko syempre may thrill. Hello guys! Xin chào! Xin chào is hi in Vietnamese. So I am Dave and I am the Kuripot Traveler on Facebook. And ngayon we're walking in the streets of Hanoi, Vietnam. And of course, isa minsan sa mga ginagawa ko kapag nasa ibang bansa ay to try out the McDonald's in different countries. Natry natin yung McDo sa France with the unique McBaguette in South Korea with the bulgogi burger. And now titingnan natin kung ano nga ba ang bago. Char, reporter yan. Ano nga ba ang bago sa McDo in Vietnam? Abangan, ating dadayuin ang McDo dito sa Hanoi. So, okay. Kung gusto din natin sigurong makatipid, we can go McDo. Alright? So, kapag kayo magpupunta ng Vietnam, you can use my promo code. Kapag magbubuk kayo sa Klook for activities para makamura, ay wait, isa-search ko muna Tekha yung maps. Diyan lang kayo. Dave Gino yung promo code for 5% off. There we go. We can already see the McDo here in Hanoi. Let's see kung anong menu ang bago dyan sa McDo dito sa Hanoi. Alright. Crossing the streets in the heart of the city. Hanggang 11 lang pala siya. Let's go and experience the McDo here in Vietnam. So meron ditong tawag dito, machine where we can order. Yung ano nila ay may salad. I mean may gulay. Ako din ate, yan din yung akin. Pero without drinks.
Or barbecue rice? Wala bang plain rice? This is spicy.
Spicy. Matcha and tea. Itong itsura ng McDo dito sa Hanoi. Hindi masyadong matao. Oh, mayroong fish sauce fried chicken. Oh, bago yan garlic fish sauce fried chicken. Something new. Garlic fish sauce.
Rice. Meron yata pero not here. Rice meals to eh. You want to check yung not rice meals.
Oh, may mga yogurt. Bago to, ice peach tea, lychee black tea, and mga yogurt. Parang uso dito sa Vietnam yung yogurt. Bago yun, bago yun. Marami pa. O ito, bago to. Shake salad. Oh, thanks. Sige, this one na lang. Garlic fish sauce. Spicy. And then, ano to? Drinks. Wala bang water?
Wala.
Most popular, what's this? Tamarind palm seed is new.
Wow, grabe yung drinks nila dito ah.
Tamarind palm seed. Salted calamansi. I think this is bago. Tamarind palm seed almond. Lagi tayong may calamansi sa Pinas.
Tol?
Yung mas mura. Tol. Ay, 7. Pwede bang walang drinks?
I don't think so. Kasi compost.
Okay. Sige, sa Kuripot. Sige na nga lang. Okay na yun. Alright. 75,000. So, we paid via credit card. Anong ibig sabihin nito? In order ko ay garlic fish sauce chicken with tamarind almond drink. So it's around 170 to 180 pesos. Okay na rin for a meal in McDo, Hanoi. Pero mas mahal siya kaysa sa nakain namin kanina na pho sa isang Michelin recommended for restaurant. As usual, just like in the Philippines, we'll wait for our order. May number naman na nagre-reflect doon sa screen. Number 44 tayo, no? 3144. Dito yung pickup area. And yan yung mga menu dito. Okay. Medyo wala lang English. Wala naka-Vietnamese. Tingnan nyo lang yung photo here. Pero meron din namang English translation doon sa machine kanina. Here may iba't ibang sauce. Mayonnaise, garlic chili sauce, chili, ketchup. Parang walang ganito sa Pinas, no? Walang ganito sa Pinas akong nakita sa any McDo. Gravy, no?
Yeah.
Gravy.
And the high school kids like us before took advantage of
Sa
that.
isang ano,
So tinanggal na nila.
sa isang bowl.
Oo, or sa isang cup.
Yeah. Here dito meron silang ganyan. Alright, impressions in their McDonald's.
Hindi siya foreigner friendly.
Why?
English translation.
Mahirap yung English translation. Although,
Kiosk
may,
meron.
sa kiosk pala, machine tawag ko kanina meron. Diyan, wala.
I cannot get over a McDo with a salad.
A McDo with a salad because it screams healthy from a fast food chain.
For McDo, the home of oil and fries. I wonder if legit salad.
There's a salad. Yeah, only in Vietnam. I'm not sure if other McDo have this rather. Pero dito may salad. Okay, nagpapaka-healthy ang McDo dito sa Vietnam. So our order is here. It's P144. Let's eat it. Let's eat our orders here na lang. Buksan na natin siya. Unboxing. Yeah, malaki yung rice, guys. And walang gravy. Meron silang garlic soy sauce here. And then there's the fries of Lily. And there are our drinks. How was it, Ate Andy? First try. Ibang lasa. We have here a very brand new drink, tamarind almond. Very healthy. And then sa'yo, lychee. Yung sa'yo, ate.
Coke Zero.
Naku, unhealthy.
Zero naman.
Sige na lang, Coke Zero. Close up shot of our garlic fish sauce. Fish sauce. Basically, ano siya in Tagalog, yung fish sauce?
Patis?
Patis. Fish sauce chicken.
Hindi ako magpatis.
Ano yung comment mo doon, Lily, sa McDo chicken?
And it's very tasty. And I think that's why madaming rice.
Oh, great analysis.
Yeah, para match.
Para match. And sana ganito din sa Pinas na hindi na hindi ganito lang kalaki yung rice para sulit. Oh, may veggies. Yeah, may veggies siya. Grabe, extra healthy ang McDo dito sa Vietnam. Tasty. Sula nang sabi ni Lily, malasa siya. I love it. I love McDo Hanoi. Delicious. Lily, I got one ha. Para makita sa vlog with consent. Sabi nila ibang taste ng fries dito. Same pa rin naman for me. Maybe, alam mo naman, yung taste can be very critical. Pero sabi nga, just salty daw dito yung McDo fries. Ang anghang ng chicken kasi spicy yung order ko. Pero gusto ko syempre may thrill.
Okay. Spicy lime.
Syempre, pumikit na naman ako. Lasang tamarind. Because it's tamarind almond drink. And it's very refreshing. I love it. So, life update. Busog na po si Ate Andy. Ganyan karami yung chicken and rice dito. Hindi ka pang ata medyo kalahati lang. O, kalahati-ish. And Lily is also full. Ganyan karami pa. Sa akin din, ang dami pa. So, kaya siguro mas mahal kasi ang laki ng serving. Rice pa lang, parang 2 rice na to sa Pinas. 2.5. Yes, I love our friendship. It's clean as we go. Or Clego. Thanks, Lil. Yeah. This should be the practice. Clean as we go. Alright. We just went out from the McDonald's here in Hanoi. So, our experience, it's very different. Pinaka-noticeable difference is the serving. The amount of serving here, it's very large as compared to the Philippines. Sabi nga ni Ate Andy, mukhang mutant yung manok nila. How about you, the experience?
Okay naman. Ang daming kulang sa menu. You know, like walang spaghetti, wala nang mga filet-filet. Wala. That.
How about you? Wala ka na masabi? It's okay.
Mr. Fries.
It's okay. Walang Mr. Fries.
Maraming gusto.
Pero, on a lighter note, medyo pa-healthy sila, no?
Yeah, very.
Kasi may gulay.
Very sprinkling of green. Shake
Oh, let's
salad.
go. May shake salad na hindi namin in order. So thank you so much guys for watching. Again, if you'll visit Vietnam, you can book the activities via Klook and use my promo code. Comment ko sa baba, Dave Gino, for 5% off. Okay? Thank you so much. This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. And guys, let's live our best life.